Now on the inside corner, after you get the second coat Quickset dry, you see a little indentation on the inside corner. You can lightly scrape that, and now would be the time to just kind of fill that in because everything else is dry. And just grab a little bit on the tip and push it in there. Oh yeah, that's good. That's how you can get nice, straight inside corners. There's one more tip I want to share with you. After you got your second coat on of Quickset, and if you still see there's some imperfections in it, before you get done with your Quickset, you can take your 3-inch knife and you can kind of go over those edges because everywhere else is flat, and you're just like putting a skin coat on there, knowing that it's just a little bit better than it was before, especially if you have any deep grooves or edges or something. You don't want to have to fill those up with your all-purpose joint compound because we don't want it to shrink and show lines. There's a tip for you. Well, that's all I got for today. That's how you're going to put your Quickset on. This is a 2-coat process. Put it on right and your patches will come out looking good.
You will.